senior faculty members, worthy colleagues and dear students, a very good morning to one and all. On behalf of I.T.S. Dental College, Ghaziabad, I, Dr. Siddhi Tripathi, Professor, Department of Prosthodontics and Oral Implantology, welcome you all to the Dr. Parkash Oration Lecture 2024 held on this resplendent Thursday, 9th of May 2024, hosted by I.T.S. Dental College, Ghaziabad. Before starting the event, I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to the respected dignitaries who took out their valuable time to grace today's glorious occasion. It is my proud privilege to extend a warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to the stalwart in the field of dentistry, a mentor, a guide, a clinician of astute nature, who is truly a living legend in the field of dentistry for having devoted more than 50 years for the noble cause of dental education. Let's welcome respected Dr. Parkash sir with a thunderous round.
Thank you. Thank you.
It is my singular honor to extend a hearty welcome to an academician, clinician and researcher par excellence, Honorable Dr. Namita Kalra Madam, who is currently associated with UCMS New Delhi as a professor in Department of Pediatric Dentistry.